Hey guys, this is Calvin with Improver, and in this video, we're going to talk about virtual continuous improvement. A lot of us CI practitioners and leaders have been forced into virtual due to the circumstances, which I personally think is a great thing. In fact, it probably should have happened a long time ago. Virtual continuous improvement, or virtual CI, is a method that systematically improves business or personal results without the dependency on in-person or face-to-face interactions. This is very important for a few reasons. One being the world is getting smaller and global access is needed. Why let geography be a limiting factor in your ability to bring your value to anyone in the world who needs it? The second thing here is that in-person continuous improvement is way more expensive and time consuming. We as CI practitioners preach that we should always be seeking to bring increasingly greater value while reducing the resources consumed in the process. Going virtual is just another great way to practice what we preach. And third thing, as we've seen with the recent pandemic and the shutdowns and the quarantines and all that stuff, face-to-face and in-person is not as reliable and practical as we like to have believed. There has been a stigma in the continuous improvement community that software and technology is bad. Manual face-to-face is good, but nowadays for many of us, if you're not doing it virtual, you're probably not doing it at all. And if you look across industries in general, you'll see that this is a trend in the way people work. If you look at banking, retail, and many other industries, you'll see that the trend is going online, which means as continuous improvement practitioners, we also need to go online. So how do you do it? I got 3 tips here. Number 1, gain clarity on the biggest problem that your company or your client's company needs to solve. Number 2, tool up. Experiment more with softwares and technologies and digital tools that focus on the specific problems that you and your clients have. And some of those technologies are actually free to get started and use. For example, Improver is focused on the problem of empowering your people to think scientifically and develop the habit of daily improvement. If this is the specific problem that your company has, you might try Improver. And number 3 is partner up. As CI practitioners like myself transition to a more virtual world, we have to rely on the eyes and ears that are there at the gemba to do it themselves and drive their own continuous improvement destiny. Our job becomes to empower them with the skills and the capabilities and the habits to do it successfully. So tell me, how have you transitioned to a virtual continuous improvement practice? I look forward to your comments below. Let's get better every day. Thank you.